3, go.
Crafting with Cos, let's go.
I'm Cos, and welcome back to Crafting with Cos if you're back. Here I try to strive to create projects that you would actually like to incorporate in your wardrobe, home decor, and anywhere else in between. So this project is going to be in participation with the DIY Christmas Centerpiece Challenge hosted by Jessica at Measure and Mix, as well as Antoinette at Simple Yet Chic. So I'm going to list their channels in the description box so you can go over there and take a look at their channel as well, and also take a look at the other playlist so you can kind of just check out some of the other ideas for Christmas decor for your home. So I'm actually going to be using materials that I got from the Dollar Tree because I'm trying to keep the project as affordable as possible, and this table decor is going to be reminiscent of some of the traditional centerpiece decor that you will find typically at like a Christmas decor section or a home decor store that sells Christmas decor. But I'm going to be glamifying it a little bit, and I'm going to be using a lot of silver and shiny materials that I found from the Dollar Tree. So if you like glamour and then you like shiny stuff, then this is probably going to be the project for you. So without any more further hesitation, let's go ahead and let's get right started with the materials that I used for this project. So for this project, I got all of my materials from the Dollar Tree except for the glitter blast spray paint. So here I have the foam board underneath to kind of measure and see where I'm going to place everything so that I can have a foundation for my actual centerpiece to sit on top of. And then I cut the section using a combination of an X-Acto knife and scissors. After I cut the piece, I sprayed it with some glitter blast spray paint, as well as the different floral pieces that I got from Dollar Tree as well. And I decided to keep some of the green color to the flowers to add some variation compared to the silver. So here I'm just starting to assemble everything, and I'm using a combination of E6000 glue and a hot glue gun so that it'll dry a little bit faster, but the E6000 glue will make it keep a stronger bond. I put E6000 glue around the perimeter of the bottom of the glass so that after you glue it, you'll still be able to see through the glass and be able to see all of the pretty glitter that's on the base. And I always like to anchor my projects with some books just for added weight to ensure that it's durable. So here I'm assembling the flowers back together. And disassembling the flowers. And now I'm randomly placing flowers in different places.